Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare three best tablets, which is Oneplus Pad versus Xiaomi Pad 6 versus Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro. So let's see the full video. Now part display comparison, display type, display size, display resolution, screen to body ratio, PPI density, refresh rate, display brightness, display protection. Now part design comparison, has dimensions, body frame, body front, SIM slot, has weight. Now for storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, card slot. Now for platform comparison, has chipset, processor, graphic processing unit, operating system. Now for rear camera comparison, rear first camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, HDR camera, has flash, video records. Now for selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel, video records. Now for connectivity comparison, has Wi-Fi, has Bluetooth, positioning, NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connectivity. Now for sensors comparison, has fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Now for battery comparison, has battery type, battery image, battery fast charging. Now for sound comparison, stereo speakers, 3.5 mm jack. Now for features comparison, has colors, launch date. Now for price comparison, has price euro. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, make sure to subscribe. Gatgets compare.